Yo, what is going on YouTube? We back at it again with another live trading video. So this one might not be as quote unquote live as the rest of my trading videos just because I have a doctor's appointment coming up in about an hour at 10:30, but I do want to give y'all the trade plan and see if it plays out. I'm going to be back later with the result of that trade plan and whether or not I executed it and if it worked out. I am on a live account now finally, or not a live account but a funded account. I'm not trading an evaluation anymore. So this is where things get serious. Last week, if y'all haven't watched it, I took my first ever payout. So let's see if we can run it back, man. So what I'm basically looking for is, obviously I use the volume profile and the Goldbach chart. So those are my two main confluences that I'm basing this trade off of, and I base all my trades off of. Right now, basically anything at the point of control basically means a higher level of volume. Dog is tripping. Higher level of volume, right? So what I'm basing this off of is basically I want the London low to get swept. If the London low can get swept, then obviously that's also going to be hitting the point of control, which is a double confluence trade. On top of that, all right, let's get rid of the volume profile. The Goldbach chart, if you take a look at this, anything below 29 is considered buys, right? The London low is literally at 11.11. So I'm really liking the sweep of London lows to buy back up. The only thing now is obviously we got to get back down there. And I'm pretty confident that we will, because if you look at the hourly and the 4 hour, we do not have a lower wick, right? We do not have a lower wick. And anytime there's not a lower wick on the 4 hour chart, best believe it's going to make an effort at least to make a wick, right? For the most part. Obviously it can happen. You know, it actually happened right here. Or no, look, it had a wick. It had a wick. Let me remove this so y'all can see the wicks. Yeah, it had a wick. This one doesn't have a wick though. This one definitely doesn't have a wick. So that's pretty much the game plan. That's what I'm looking for. And if we just pump up the whole time, I might not even take a trade, bro. Like, I'm really trying to stay disciplined. I'm really not even into that chasing stuff no more. I kind of got over that a while ago, bro. So I'm chilling without a trade. If we just pump to all-time highs from here and there's no pullbacks, you know, not really. The only chance, you know, anybody would have had to get in is pre-market around here. Because I liked it down here, but, you know, it's not really my speed chasing like that. So that's pretty much all I got for y'all for now. And I'm going to catch y'all back at 9:30 open. Yep.
What do you want, bro? You want me to help you out?
Nah, bro, I already know the trade plan. I'm good. I was just calling because I thought y'all were gonna live trade today. That boy Brandon is. Oh my God, Brandon is tripping. 9:30 open coming up. Are you driving a work vehicle while trading?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. It's not gonna be a trade anytime soon, so it doesn't even matter. I said, want me to help you out.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Probably gonna sound a little muffled.
Nah, you're good.
Let's see. 9:30 just opened up. Let's see what we get. Are we just gonna haul rise up? Or go back down?
Yeah, nah. If we just push up today, I'm not trading.
I think we're gonna come down. Yes, we just grab pre-market leg. We just grab another leg.
Yep. We just grabbing lick and pumping.
Still too early to tell.
Yeah, bro. The 4 hour can't close like this. There's no way.
Oh, we did it, bro. That's gonna be a super strong ball for the rest of the day.
If the 4 hour closes like this, we're blasting past all time highs, guaranteed.
We have to wait and see.
31,000. So stupid.
It's been rejecting up in liquidity sweeps. Clean rejection.
Time to get into shorts.
I look you want to buy off the pre-market links.
What? Bro, you're tripping.
Not really.
No, you're definitely tripping. By the time it gets to pre-market lick sweep, there's still gonna be no lower wick.
Yeah, but just in case.
Oh yeah, nah, you have FOMO, bro. You're tripping.
I mean, I can handle the drawdown, bro.
Alright. I hope so. I hope your account can handle the drawdown. Boy, God.
I mean, there's still 28 minutes for it to go all the way down, make a win, grab more liquidity, and then shoot up like crazy.
Bro, the entry literally might not be till London liquidity.
If it does that, it has to start pushing like right now, like melting right now, like keep melting, so we can fucking make structure.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Get into shorts.
Nah. Like you could have, like that would have been like something that Richard would have entered off. You know, that's like Richard entry.
Wow. Look at that melt.
Something short and sweet for Richard, you know.
Short and sweet. Oh my goodness.
I mean, if I was really that cocky, I would sell and just grab a little bit and get out right now, and then wait until it goes down a little more. But,
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Like, well, once you're doing that, bro, like
Playing with
just
fire.
risk more. Especially if you're going for buys for today. I'm just gonna keep myself in one entry,
Yeah, I'm not doing that, bro. You're crazy for even bringing that up.
It was right there on pre-markets. It's gonna hit pre-market late.
For sure.
It's better sweeping. It's better sweeping.
The reason I like the London low entry is just because obviously there's so many confluences there. Volume profile says it's going there. Goldback says it's going there. We also need the lower wick.
I mean, I see it. I can see it going. I'm not saying you're wrong.
Yeah, but entering because it basically tapped your level. Right now you'd be in. If you're riding all the way down to London low, you're getting your account's blown.
Because right now it's at a liquidity void, which is also good. seen NQ move at market opening like if it was news, and then no news came out. So.
Wow, that is a massive candle.
That's like 49 minutes. Jesus.
Let me go YM, bro. Is YM better?
YM still bad. YM still has that. YM would be a good sell right now. YM still has that gap on the bottom. I think needs to be closed though.
Yeah, I feel like this setup is low key better than NQ.
All about patience.
Mm-hmm.
So did you get your payout yet?
Of course I did.
Wow.
Payout, baby.
What you do with that money? What you gonna do? You gonna buy yourself a new Lamborghini?
Yeah, with a $300 payout. Stupid.
You can rent it out for 5 minutes.
You're stupid. You're a dumbass. Damn, YM was the play. It's nuking.
Yeah, but YM always does that. YM moves quick on market opening. I'm in no rush.
Mm-hmm. YM might go for New York liquidity. More coming down.
Well, if it wasn't a holiday Friday, I would have caught all of this shit right here. Because I already knew what it was gonna do.
Yeah. Holiday robbed you.
Yeah. But I ain't gonna lie, I can see this shit coming down. Maybe, big maybe. Pretty much get 70 on YM 71.
Mm-hmm.
71 to 29. And you're out.
Yeah, bro, I think this is cooked.
I don't think so, bro. It's still too early. What is like 10 a.m. yet?
Yeah, but I mean, if we don't get a pullback, we don't. Morning. If we don't get a pullback, bro, it's cooked.
Keep it close.
Oh, my fault.
Tell you what, though,
You're right.
once that 10 a.m. closes, nigga, that first pullback from just to make a bottom wick on the 4-hour candle on the 10 a.m., I am dying.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I like entering off liquidity sweeps, but you always have to, you know. closing so much where it's like, damn, like, it just, it just doesn't make sense to not enter when it doesn't.
Yeah.
It does it so much.
There's a 15-minute steep trend line coming from this low. Steep 15-minute trend line. And it's still holding.
Steep trend line. I don't see no trend line.
Yep, draw the trend line from the low at 7:15 Sunday night till now on the 15-minute. Very, very steep. It broke it with some wicks, but no closes below.
You know what I can really, see this thing doing. Like maybe not closing like this if that's a 4 hour, but closing a little bit bearish, right? Like not bearish, like closing the 4 hour, like the candle itself closing like maybe like half this size.
Yeah.
And the 10 a.m. candle, the 10 a.m. 4 hour, when it closes, it's gonna fucking wick down, grab the liquidity of London low, and then after that grab, it's gonna push up and flip the candle. The candle's gonna flip.
Yo, why do you think it's just gonna be such a fake out?
Because it does that a lot.
Yo.
You gotta remember, bro, how it moves, like, especially now there's a lot of volume. Like, from now to like 12, or not even to 12, now to like the whole day, bro, there's a lot more volume than Asia.
Yeah.
You know? And we see the push it just made, it wants to go up. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. It's close to closing below the trend line I have.
And go back saying this is all bias still,
Look at this.
So I could see this shit.
Yo, look.
What?
This might be the nuke.
That's a shitty ass trend line.
You just love to hate, bro. You love to hate.
Bro, the middle one is not even touching it. There's not even a wick touching it.
Bro, I had it right here before.
That's still garbage.
So how is this garbage if it's breaking it right now?
You're forcing it. What?
Huh? Morning.
That's you forcing the trend line right there. I mean, I can see why you drew it, but like you're forcing it right there.
I guess.
If there is no time frame that's showing me that it's a wick, then you're forcing it.
So it has to touch it on every level.
Like if a candle's not touching it, there has to be at least a wick touching it.
Yeah.
Showing that it rejected off of it. Those 3 points that you showed me are all strong candle closures, and there's no wick below them. Meaning that it didn't even wick, it didn't even try to reject off of anything. It just kept, it just made market structure. That's all.
Alright, bet. I'll remove the trend line, bro.
But also like I also seen a lot of times where like maybe like a 4 hour, like let's just say there's like four, not 4 hours. Let's just say there's 4 candles, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's bullish.
Yeah.
Right? 4 candles bullish. Usually the wicks, the current candle wick, it won't be below the previous candle wick bullish. You know what I'm saying?
We're really gonna push up without making a wick. Wow. Yeah, this might be a no trade day for me, bro.
Yeah, me too. I mean, unless he decides to get there at some time today.
Yeah. There's no way in hell we're just gonna push up the whole day like this.
Let's see what the 243 is saying. 243 is saying that we're on the next session.
We're at the beginning of a new PO3. And we're rejecting it. This might be the nuke right here.
I mean, 10 minutes saying sells. 10 minutes says about to start selling.
Yeah.
5 minutes now. 1 minute says it's about to start selling.
The 30 minute.
Hasn't closed. 15 minute hasn't closed bearish yet. Two for three, slip back down.
Oh yeah, and the one made a higher low too.
I'm telling you, I'm calling her. I honestly feel like it's gonna
lower.
close as a weaker, like a medium 4-hour candle. It's gonna wig down like it's gonna be so quick, probably like maybe like a 1 hour push down, grab it, and then just flip up, then come back down. You have to see though.
Yeah. Yeah, I am not interested in shorts though. I'm not trying to get caught on the flip.
Nah, fuck that.
I'm gonna get caught up on that flip and I'm gonna get baked.
More minutes. Oh, 5 minute candle close bearish. Come on, let me see this shit just melt. No. Let me see this shit just drop. Drop me like 100 points, bro. You know, it's crazy too. A lot of people, they don't like trading Mondays
For real? Why?
because they said Monday is the day that it's trying to decide what the market's going to do for the rest of the week.
I mean, I get it.
Because Monday they say it sets it up for the week.
Yeah, but
You know, it's
no,
understandable, but like, you know.
the market doesn't even trend the whole week normally in one direction. I mean, sometimes, but it just depends on where it's at. Yeah, bro. This is just too strong. It looks like it might not even.
And also, this is the type of move where you could have entered at Asia and literally can catch the whole day move plus the overnight and the day.
Yeah, seems like it, because it looks like it might not come back down.
That's all. Wow, look at that. Look at that push. Wow. Rejection off at 29 onto 243.
Yep. This is disgusting, bro. This is the reason why I didn't want to take the shorts. Because even though I know it's going to drop, it's like,
That's what I said. It's quick and short. You know, you think that good box, a good push, then you get out. Especially if it's on a, like, you're thinking from.
yo, what is good, y'all? So, we took a fat ass L today. Oh, the P&L is gone, but I lost $585 today, boys. $585. I'm pissed. Not really though. I'm chilling. I mean, I took 2 trades. Obviously, you can see the executions here. We took the no, that was a mistake. That was like a $5 loss. That doesn't matter. But I took shorts right here, or I took buys right here to basically bet this to go up. Things did not work out the way we wanted them to. Unfortunately, this level here did not hold. Pretty sure it was SpaceX that nukes the market. I mean, there's rarely any times you see a 4-hour candle with no wick on the bottom and no wick on the top that just gets engulfed by another bearish candle. Like, this is almost unheard of. So I'm okay losing to that, to be honest. Like, the reality of the situation, this is a very, very rare occurrence. So I'm good, man. I'm chilling. No payout for me today, man. But, you know, I still got the rest of the week to come back. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow, man. Peace.